Our personal health is affected by the health of our environment. We must care for both to stay healthy. Understanding our connections to the world we live in is important. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is working to improve our understanding of those connections. CDC's Environmental Public Health Tracking Program uses a broad network of experts, data, and tools to connect environmental and public health information. This allows us to drive innovative programs and solutions that protect and improve the health of communities across the country. One way CDC's tracking program does this is through the Tracking Network, a dynamic system that provides researchers, public health professionals, and the public with information and data about environmental hazards and the health problems that may be related to them. However, the tracking program is more than just data. Its resources and expertise help community leaders make informed decisions about allocating resources, planning interventions, and evaluating efforts to improve public health and potentially save lives.
Environmental public health tracking data are tremendously useful in planning purposes. They're tremendously useful in environmental regulatory decision-making purposes, and they're useful in prevention activities.
So much of what we do in public health relies on good, sound data. The thing that we're excited about with this dashboard is that it begins to allow us to have a more efficient use of that data, a more efficient use of staff time, and we can begin to pull data sets together to establish some of those understandings about what may be going on here between the environmental exposures that are out there and the health outcomes that we have, and really begin to cause us to take a step back and look at what are those relationships and what are the things that we need to put towards those understandings in terms of research efforts, resources to address policy issues that may be of concern, or other uses of data that we haven't yet thought about.
What this means is that we have this talented, experienced, trained staff to investigate and monitor environmental health issues, and then to take that information and be able to inform and educate the community.
In collaboration with experts and partners, the tracking program is committed to improving health outcomes across the nation. With better information, the tracking program empowers communities to become healthier. CDC's Environmental Public Health Tracking Program. Better information for better health.